I'm going to ask you to explain words without using the word, okay? So the first word is love. Can you explain that?
Love.
Yeah, what is that? Without saying love.
I don't know how to explain it.
What do you think it is?
Don't know. Wow.
Wow.
I don't know. Maybe. Oh no.
Do you want to try and explain it?
Anyway, don't know.
Okay. Friendship.
French. And what's friendship?
Like people who are friends. But what does it mean? Like, how can someone be a friend?
When they like each other, play with each other, and be together.
Okay. What about you, Philip?
A tiger doesn't like each other.
Maggie, which would you rather have? An elephant-sized puppy or a puppy-sized elephant?
Maggie. Puppy-sized elephant.
And why?
Because if I would have a big puppy, it would be very useful.
And what would you feed it with?
Fruit.
And peanuts?
Yes.
Okay.
And with the food.
And food like cornflakes? Cineminis?
Dog.
Dog food? To the elephant?
I thought to the dog.
No, it would be just the size of a dog, but it would be an elephant.
Yes.
Let's talk about dreams.
Okay.
Have you ever had a dream
Yes.
that you remember?
I don't. I had it for a long time. I had it for a long time, but I don't know it.
Mm-mm.